Oh,
Yes, don't be so cool. Hi, everybody. Haiti and Mexico.
what?
Where we heading?
Going around the world for 7 days.
Oh, you know what? I forgot my sunglasses. I can't We made it to dinner, but we did not get the seat that we wanted. They put us in a four-person table, which is fine, but we wanted to sit over there by the big chandelier, so we could look down. Tomorrow, hopefully my husband can make that happen.
Try to get closer to the chandelier, huh? It's going to be a pretty hard task because on day 2 it really gets crazy. The lines start getting out the door, around the corner. Then folks who make it up to the receptionist, they give you a number and it's like a staging type area at that point. But we'll see what we could do, and hopefully it work out for us so we get closer to that chandelier my wife want to be next to. Me too, I want to be over there too. Okay, here we are.
It's called The Fine Line, and it's a swimming diving show. And it's this lady back there. She just
You just went straight to the straight to the highlight story.
Yes, it's a lady back there. She slipped. Yeah, I think she's hurt.
Okay, let me give you the better context of everything. We're in a stadium.
We're not in the stadium.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
An outdoor aqua stadium.
Theater.
Or theater. And you see the stairs right here. And I guess the show prior, you can see the water.
Well, it's covered up right now.
Well, water on the seats, the stairs, which made it a little slippery for her. So she came down trying to look cute, or maybe not trying to look cute, but anyhow, she had a dress.
There's her shoe on the step.
I don't know if you can see her shoe on the step right there. She slid. When she slid, I guess her leg hit up against something or whatever. But she's in pain.
It twisted or something.
So we don't know if it's a fracture, open, compound, or maybe closed fracture, maybe the non-exposure of the bone or exposure of the bone. We got some spectators trying to get by. Anyhow, she was crying a lot. Almost to the point I thought they was going to shut down the show prior. So it looks like the show's still going to go on. I don't know why you smile or laugh.
I'm laughing there too.
Things look like it's going to continue. So I guess they are responding with some emergency assistance.
It's hard taking a long time to get here.
But we'll see how things turn out as far as her and the show. So we're going to get some capture of the show. We're going to go from there. And so stand by.
He been spinning for a long time. That's crazy.
What?
Just sitting here been spinning.
Oh, look at that shit. at that.
Commissioner!